Spiders are some of the most skilled engineers in the animal kingdom, using silk stronger than steel by weight. They build webs designed to catch prey with incredible precision. Not all spiders spin webs, though some chase, some jump, and others hide underground, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Spiders play a vital role in nature by controlling insect populations, making them one of the most important pest controllers on the planet. And here's a cool fact: spiders have blue blood, and many can sense vibrations through their legs better than most animals can hear. Small, silent, and essential, spiders are true masters of survival.